Welcome to the step 1 of the solar system activity. The goal of this step is very simple. We are going to start by placing a sun at the center of this 3D space. As you can see, we have this entire 3D space with all the orbits visible and the distances labeled. And as you can read in the instructions, it said we are going to place the sun at the center of our project. So you can see that there is this center marked here. You can move around in this arena using the arrow keys that you see here. So you can look around and use the arrow keys on the keyboard or on your screen to move wherever you want. Okay, so we are going to place a sun at the center position. And to do that, we are going to use this add sun at center block. So let's bring this block and place it here inside the when play button click block. So what will happen is when the play button is clicked, so when you click on this play button, the sun will be added at the center of the project. Also, we can use this block to make the sun object say some things. So here it says, let the sun say, hello, I am the sun for 4 seconds. You can change the text, you can change the time, and make your sun say whatever you want. Okay, so now let's run the code. I click on the green play button here, and you can see I have a rotating sun here that says, hello, I'm the sun. And that completes your step 1. The moment your step 1 is completed, you will see that there is a QR code generated, and you see it says scan the QR code using the HatchXR iOS app and run your game in AR. So you can download the HatchXR iOS app, use it on your iPad or on your iPhone. And once you download the HatchXR app, you will see a scan button there. So when you scan the QR code using the HatchXR app, you will be able to run every step of the projects that you're building in AR. Now you can click on continue to step 2 to move to the next step.